the last one. This is really important. I want to see everybody pin on this one. Do not hire your family members.
Доброе утро. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Спасибо, thank you.
All right, hello, greetings. This message is for Natalia's team. My name is Abel Prieto. I'm the Vice President of Communications for inCruises. I want to welcome you to our business. If you're brand new with us, if you just got started, man, I want to tell you, give it all you got. You know, believe in yourself, believe in us, believe in the dream, believe in the fact that you can change people's lives. Believe in Natalia. Natalia is one of our greatest leaders. She's doing amazing work. She's leading teams. She's inspiring people. And I want you to know that you're here at the right place at the right time. So take advantage of it. Be the right person. And I promise that we will do everything in our power to help you grow a successful inCruises international business. I love you guys, and I'll see you at the top.